Hey, I'm Dominic from ATC Trailers. I am ATC's customer specialist. Today I'm going to talk about our new lock for the fridges. Pretty simple. When you're getting ready to go down the road, all you're going to do is you're going to put this in the backer there, twist that in. Now you don't want to tighten it too much because it will pull the backer off the fridge, just enough that your fridge doors aren't going to open and you're good to travel down the road. This is going to come with our Furrion residential fridges in our Play 750s.